Hi guys, here is Belsee. Today I will introduce this 8-inch RPS3 Android 8.0 head unit for Mazda 3 29 to 2012 years. Okay, you can check this UI interface. Volume, DVD player slot, tuner, back home, GPS card reset, microphone, SD card and mini USB. This is IR. Okay, let me check. You can check BLC logo, car launcher, HAMA. Belsee is a manufacturer of Android car head unit. Telephone number and email address you can contact to us. Okay, you can change the logo by settings. You can find the Mazda. Okay. Sim editor, you can change the color with blue and green. Any color you can adjust this panel, red. Okay, let me choose the Belsee. Okay, you also can change this button color in settings. Let me check. Element, you can change green, blue, orange, yellow, and adjust any color on these buttons. Okay, let me check the Android version. You can check model is PX5. PX5 is rack chip Octa Core. Android version is 8.0 Oreo. Okay. Let me show the internet. Already built in the Wi-Fi, connect to Wi-Fi. Let me open the internet. It supports Google Voice command. What time in China? You can check it will automatically to search. It's very convenient. Let me connect a small speaker, test head unit. Okay, let me try again. Let me try other. You can connect. It have sound. New York.
Here is some information about New York City. New York City comprises 5 boroughs sitting where the Hudson River meets the Atlantic Ocean.
Okay. It shows the New York. Let me search our website. This is our website. If you have any more questions, you can contact to us. We already DSP amplifier it better sounds. It's Tesla model. This is BMW. Template 25 inch. Okay. Let me show the navigation. It also supports the Google Voice command. It's built in the New York. It will search the New York automatically. Okay, it shows the New York. Moscow. It also searches the Moscow automatically. Okay, you can touch control. Okay, let me introduce the music. Here is the mini USB cable. It connects the front panel by this USB slot. It's a USB driver. Okay. Volume control. Okay. Let me show the dual screen. Mute. Long press this will show the split screen. It is supposed to run the music and Google navigation at the same time. Let me show the video. You can check video disabled while driving for safety, so you need to set it in the settings. Find the settings, car, driving setting, watch video turn on. Let me play video game. It supports 4K, play 4K movie or videos. Okay. Let me introduce Bluetooth. This pin number 40. This is my Galaxy S8 Plus. Let me open the Bluetooth from your phone. Click search button to get the device. Okay, it's showed. And then pair. When you pair, you will get the command from your phone. Please put the pin number 12340. Click OK. Okay, it changed the color and show Bluetooth icon. It means connect Bluetooth. You can make phone call. Okay, let me check the streaming music from your phone. First time you need to disconnect and reconnect again. Okay, connected. Okay, you can play music from your phone. Volume control from your phone. Okay. Okay, our hidden unit supports the CarPlay, and this CarPlay adapter. This also supports Android Auto. Let me check. This model USB and with it support Android Auto. Support Android Auto and CarPlay, iPhone CarPlay. Okay, if you need a CarPlay adapter, you can buy from this adapter. Support Android Auto and CarPlay. Okay, that's all. Thank you.